clever. Children's easy explained is not hard. Understand, explore, and see something new. For children and parents together so clever, let's learn. That's exactly how it works. Children's easy explained is not hard. Understand, explore, and
Today, why do we get hiccups?
Hey guys! Today, we're going on a fun adventure to find out, why do we get hiccups? Getting the hiccups is pretty funny, don't you think? You know what? Hiccups happen when our diaphragm suddenly squeezes tight. The diaphragm? That's a muscle that sits under our lungs like a strong helper, and it helps us breathe. When this muscle makes a sudden movement, our voice box in our throat closes really fast and hiccup. But why does the diaphragm act so strange? Sometimes we hiccup when we eat or drink too fast, or when we're super excited, like having butterflies in our tummy. Even laughing or taking a deep breath can cause hiccups. We don't really know exactly why our diaphragm goes a little crazy sometimes. But don't worry, it's no big deal. Did you know that babies can even get hiccups inside their mommy's tummies? It's true. It's a totally normal part of growing and developing. If you ever get the hiccups, there are a few tricks to get rid of them. Try taking a deep breath and holding it for as long as you can. Or drink a glass of water in small sips. Sometimes a little scare can help calm that diaphragm down. So now you're hiccup experts. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting educational videos. See you later, guys!
See you next time.